It always starts the same way. You decide it's time to stop being financially clueless. You're going to be smart. You download a trading app, pull up a chart for gold or crypto, and stare at it like you're a Wall Street genius.
You open a 4-hour chart. You see a green line moving up. Your brain signals that this is your moment. With absolute confidence, you press buy.
And that is exactly when the universe decides to hurt you. The candle instantly turns red. It plunges. Your profit goes into the negative. Veins pop out of your forehead. You forget every trading strategy you ever read about. Your heart rate is now matching the speed of a Formula One car.
Okay. In a blind panic, you can't take the pain anymore. You mash the button to sell at a massive loss just to make it stop. And the exact millisecond after you exit the trade, the chart violently shoots back up into green. And the market didn't crash, it just waited for you to leave. Stage 2 of financial panic is app anxiety. It's Sunday night. You spent the weekend winging it, buying things you didn't need, and telling yourself, I'll look at my balance later. Well, later is now.
You stare at your banking app icon on your screen. It's no longer an app. It is a horror movie monster. Your thumb hovers over the screen, trembling, paralyzed by the fear of absolute reality.
You finally log in, but you do it with one eye closed. Because your brain genuinely believes that if you only look at the numbers with half your vision, the damage will only be half as bad. You open the balance. You pray to see a comma. You pray to see at least 3 digits before the decimal point. Instead, you are greeted by a number so small, it looks like a temperature in the middle of winter. Then goes the investigation. You look at your transaction history, fully convinced that you've been a victim of international identity theft. Surely I didn't spend that much. But no, it's just a continuous, embarrassing list of subscriptions, coffee, and midnight snacks. You close the app. The panic settles into a deep, quiet acceptance. For the next 7 days, you are no longer a consumer. You are a survivalist, living entirely on instant noodles and tap water. Stage 3 of financial panic takes place in the real world. You walk into a grocery store, needing exactly 3 basic items. You grab a basket, completely confident that you are in total control of your life and your wallet. But then a phenomenon occurs. You walk down the aisles and items somehow just float into your basket. A snack here, a premium juice there, a weird gourmet cheese you've never heard of. By the time you reach the register, your small basket weighs 40 pounds. As the cashier starts scanning, the digital screen updates. The total quickly passes $20, $40, $80. Panic sets in. Your brain violently attempts to do high-level calculus to figure out if you actually have enough money.
And then comes the worst part. You look behind you. There is a line of 6 impatient people staring at the back of your head. The social pressure is suffocating. If your card gets declined right now, your social life is officially over.
With a shaking hand, you reach out with your credit card. You approach the card reader like you're defusing a bomb in an action movie. You tap it. You hold your breath.
An agonizing 2 seconds pass. Beep. Approved. Your soul immediately returns to your body. You grab your groceries and run out of the store before the bank changes its mind.
So what is the actual diagnosis here? Why do we constantly live in a state of financial panic? It's simple. Your brain was built to outrun saber-toothed tigers, not to navigate digital interest rates and macroeconomics.
Step 1 of the survival protocol: disconnect from the chaos. If you are day trading and the chart turns red, close the laptop. If you are obsessively checking your bank app every 4 minutes, delete it for the weekend. The numbers will not change just because you are staring at them.
Step 2. Accept that being clueless is a mandatory part of the process. Nobody is born knowing how to manage risk, compound assets, or budget a salary. Every financial genius you see online started exactly where you are right now, staring at a red screen in total horror.
Step 3. Manage your risk so your heart rate doesn't have to.
If a single bad trade or a grocery trip makes you want to cry, your stakes are too high. Scale down. Automate your savings. Stop trying to build an empire in a single afternoon.
Put down the phone, step away from the screen, take a deep breath, and stop panicking. Subscribe to the channel, and let's figure out how to navigate the rest of this chaotic world together. See you in the next manual.